Stupid Senyor, guys! So, well guys, it's Sinulog week, and one of the best times for Cebuanos to feature the food of our region, of our place, of our island is during Sinulog week. And we're here right now at Marco Polo Plaza Hotel to see what's in store with our Sugbusog Buffet. So if you want to know what are the offerings of one of the best hotel buffets in town, you better check this out. Kung hilig mo mga Bisayang pagkaon, naaron sila din, may bungkan na sa Marco Polo, halos tanan na lami rin, may ngohiong, may bula-bula, may quick, na barbecue, na mga lagot mo, na mani, na balot, na mga ginabot, na balbacua, gusto pata, kung sa may yung gusto, tilawin yun. Tingnan dapat rin, diba? Siyakoy, pandesal, oh, kinilaw na lukot, kinilaw. So it's really local food, guys. You will taste like the kinilaw na lato, kinilaw na tuna, we have guso, we have lukot. Wow, amazing. And of course, here in the enchiladas, we have puso ng saging, kapayas, paala. Wow. Oh, this guy, it's kamote tops. Wow, impressive. So if you're looking for a good place to try out local food, wow, Sugbusog Buffet here in Marco Polo is just really awesome. But here are some surprises. They have beef lechon, sweet and sour fish, a big fish, and of course a host of Chinese and Japanese dishes. And I'm gonna check out the desserts now. What are the desserts here? Of course, I am expecting some good stuff here in the desserts. So what are the desserts here? Ampaw, bukayo, utap, macarons, leche flan, biko na nailatik, kasaba. Wow, bibingka sa Mandawi. We even have tagaktak, puto cheese, baha blanca, bukayo sa karkar, masa real, mango sago, pinasugbo, and a whole lot more. Plus malicious cookies. The famous malicious cookies here. And of course, there's halo-halo alarm station. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have an awesome dinner. So, kung ganahan di po mabusog, nilawi ang Sugbusog. There is a Marco Polo Plaza Hotel. So, until sa January 21.